Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall CloudFormation stacks from AWS safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall CloudFormation stacks from AWS safely, begin by logging into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFormation service from the console homepage. In the CloudFormation dashboard, locate the stack you wish to uninstall. Click on the stack name to access its details. Review the stack status to ensure it is in a state that allows deletion, such as create_complete. Before proceeding, take note of any resources managed by the stack that might incur additional charges. If your stack has nested stacks, ensure to delete those nested stacks first. Select the Delete button from the Stack Details page. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion. Read the warning message carefully to understand the implications. If you agree, confirm the deletion by clicking the appropriate button. Monitor the deletion process in the Events tab. Ensure that the stack status changes to delete_an_progress and eventually to delete_complete. After deletion, if any resources remain, investigate their status to determine manual cleanup steps. Document the deletion process for future reference and compliance. Always consider setting up triggers or notifications for stack deletion events to manage changes effectively. For additional safety, conduct a cost analysis after deletion to confirm no unexpected charges remain. Follow these best practices to ensure a safe and efficient uninstallation of CloudFormation stacks from AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.